guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. I know I look a bit, not in the best state, but I'm here to give you guys a very intriguing video. For those of you who are pursuing a career in law, to become a lawyer, solicitor, barrister, whatever you're pursuing to be, I'm just going to be here to give you guys tips along your journey. I'm currently going to be doing a comprehensive test for a top law firm that's located near Buckingham Palace, so essentially the city. They're very high ranked, therefore meaning that it's a very prestigious firm. And you know that the biggest goal for every pursuing lawyer. So I'm going to go into the test. I'm not going to do the test on my iPad, neither am I going to do it on my phone. I'm going to do it on my big PC in the hallway, so I'll be able to get a full sketch and to apply myself properly and both accordingly. When I finish the test, I'm going to let you guys know what I was asked and how I think it went. Obviously, for legal reasons, and for the protection of myself and my career, I can't physically video the test or take pictures of that test. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and record as much as possible. And for those of you that have any tests coming up, it doesn't matter what firm it is, but I'm going to be able to help you, prep you, and both guide you. So stay tuned and just wait for the outcome. And don't forget to subscribe, because it's because of you guys why I am still here. So for those of you who are pursuing a career in law, whether you want to be a barrister or a solicitor, just follow me along my journey and I'm going to be able to just give you guys a scope of what it is all about. As you know, I am training to be a solicitor. Right now, I'm just waiting patiently for 10:30. As you can see, it's 10:15. I'm just waiting for my comprehensive test from one of the most highly prestigious firms in the UK that is based near Buckingham Palace. So I'm going to let you guys know what questions they asked me and how I went about it and my results and if I was successful or not.